Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this homemade cappuccino. This cappuccino is totally cafe style and you can make it at home without any machine. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, first in a coffee mug or cup, take 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 3/4 tablespoon of hot water. Whisk using a fork, spoon or whisker for 3 to 4 minutes. Whisk till the color changes and the consistency is light and fluffy. This is the perfect color and consistency we are looking for. Now heat 1 cup of milk and bring it to a quick boil. Use a whisk or frother to make the milk frothy. I am using a frother here. The milk has become perfectly frothy. Now turn off the flame and slowly pour the milk in the coffee mug. Add the milk froth on top. Mix using a skewer stick. Sprinkle some coffee powder on top and make design using a skewer. A tasty and frothy cappuccino is ready. The taste of this cappuccino is totally cafe style and you can easily make this cappuccino at home. No need to go to the cafe. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.